C12, May 2017. Question number 1. An arithmetic sequence is first term A and the common difference 10. So first term is 6 and the D is 10. D is the difference, A is the first term. Find the 15th term of the sequence, part A. So formula for the 15th term is A plus 14D. So A is 6 plus 14 times 10. So that will be 146. Part B. The sum of the first 20 terms of the sequence. The formula for the sum is as 20 n over 2. 2a is 6 plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1 is 19 and d is 10. So that is 10. This is 12 plus 190. 190 plus 12 is 202 multiply 10 is 2020. Question number 2. 1 over 9x to the power 4 is, the power is 0.5. So we can convert 0.5 into 1 over 2 and we can divide it. 1 over 9 can be written as 3 to the power minus 1 and 0.5 can be written as half. Multiply x to the power 4, this is half. It is 3 to the power minus 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. 3 to the power minus 1. So it is 1 over 3. 2 times 2 is 4. So that is the answer of first part. Second, it can be written as x to the power minus 2 and this is 2 to the power half. So it can be written 2 is to the power minus half and minus 2. 2 and 2 cancel, minus minus is plus. X to the power minus 2 will be 1 over x square and 2 is to the power minus minus 1, so 2 is to the power 1. So that is 2 over x square. Third part is x root 3. X root 3 divided by root 48. Root 48. Further divide by x to the power 4. So multiply root x to the power 4. So that's how we can write this one. X multiply root 3. Root of x square means its power half. This can be cancelled by 2. So this is x square. Divide by root 48. That is 24. 12. 12 is 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 2 is 48. So 1, 2. So that is 2 and 2, 4 root 3. So now root 3 and root 3 can be cancelled. So we can write it as x cube over 4. Question 3. Line L1 has an equation. Suppose this is line L1 and its equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Line L2 is parallel to L1, so this is L2, both are parallel, and it is passing through 3 and -5. 3 and -5. Find the equation of L2. So formula for equation of L2 is y minus y1 is equal to slope m x minus x1. Now we have y1 is -5, x1 is 3, but what about m1? It's saying these lines are parallel, so the slope of L1 is equal to slope of L2. So what is the slope of L1? We make y subject, so we can write it 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. So y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 6. So the value of this m is minus 2 over 3 because these lines are parallel. So the slope of this m is minus 2 over 3, and the slope of the parallel line is also minus 2 over 3. So now we put the values. Y minus y1 is minus 5 is equal to m minus 2 over 3, x minus x1 is 3. We multiply it, 3y minus minus plus 5 times 3 is 15 is equal to minus 2x and minus minus plus 6. We have to write in this form. So 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 6 minus 15. Divide all by 3. So y is equal to minus 2 over 3x. This will be minus, this is minus 9 over 3 is 3. So this is the equation of line L2. Curve C has equation y is equal to 4x root x plus 48 over root x minus root 8x is greater than 0. Find dy over dx. So we can write y is equal to 4, this is x and this is root x, so this is x to the power 3 over 2 plus 48 over root x means x to the power minus half minus root 8. So dy over dx is, first we take the first term, 4 x to the power 3 over 2. So it means 3 over 2 x to the power 3 over 2 minus 1 plus 48 x to the power minus half. So this is minus half x to the power minus half minus 1, and this will be 0. So that is equal to, this cancel by 2, 2 times 3 is 6, x to the power 3 over 2 minus 1 is half. This is 2, we can cancel it by 24, plus minus is minus 24, x to the power minus half minus 1 is minus 3 over 2. Now we have to find d2y over dx square, means double differentiation. We differentiate this and then we differentiate this one. So differential of this 6, differential of x to the power half is half x to the power minus half minus 24. Differential of x to the power minus 3 is over 2 is minus 3 over 2 x to the power minus 3 over 2 minus 1. So this is can write this 3 over root x minus and minus plus 2 times 12 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, x to the power minus 5 over 2. So this is the differential. This we also leave it like this, 3x to the power minus half, but that is okay. Find the coordinate of exact coordinate of a stationary point. So at stationary points, this is part B. dy over dx is, this is, we have 6 x to the power half minus 24 x to the power minus 3 over 2. For the coordinate of a stationary point means dy over dx is 0. So this is 0. So if we take 6 common, x to the power half minus 4x to the power minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. 6 multiply this equal to 6 is not 0, so x to the power half minus 4, this I can write as x to the power 3 over 2 is equal to 0. So multiply x to the power 3 over 2, multiply x to the power 3 over 2, this also, so it will be x to the power 3 over 2 plus half minus 4 is equal to 0. 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is 4 over 2, so x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus 2 or minus 2. So our condition is x is positive, so the answer will be x is equal to 2. Now part C, it says whether this C is maximum or minimum. So x is equal to 2. So this is 3 over root 2 plus 36, 2 is to the power minus 5 over 2. This is a positive number and this is a positive number, so it means it is d2y over dx square is greater than 0. So greater than 0 means this is this point is a minimum point. Actually this graph is like this, a minimum point. Use remainder theorem to find whether fx is divided by x minus 1. So if fx is divided by x minus 1, then by putting x is equal to 1, f1 will be 0. So just put x is equal to 1. So f1 will be minus 4 multiply 1 cube plus 16 multiply 1 square minus 13 multiply 1 plus 3. So that is equal to negative 4 plus 16 minus 13 plus 3. 16 and 3, 19, and this is 17. So definitely it is not equal to 0. So we are getting a reminder here, and that is 2. Use the factor theorem to show that this is a factor. So now we have to find the remainder. So remainder will be 17 plus 19. So that is remainder is 2. Now part B is put x is equal to 3 and let us see. So F3 is minus 4 3 cube plus 16 3 square minus 13 times 3 plus 3. So this one is 3 cube. So 3 cube is 27 times 4 is minus 108 plus this is 9 times 16 is 144 minus 13 times 3 is 39 plus 3. So the positive is 144 plus 3 is 147 minus this is 7 3 and 1 4 and 1. So it shows that x minus 3 is a factor of fx because this is 0. Hence fully factorize it. So let's factorize it. Fx is minus 4x cube plus 16x square minus 13x plus 3 minus 13x. Now we know x plus 3 is a factor of it. X minus 3 is a factor of minus 4x cube plus 16x square minus 13x plus 3. This is negative 4 and this is x, so multiply by negative 4. This is x cube, this is x, so multiply by x square. So this is minus 4x cube minus minus plus 4 times 3 is 12 and x square. We change the sign. This is both negative, so it is positive, and this is negative. Cancel. 16 minus 12 is 4x square minus 13x. Now again we need 4, so plus 4, and this is x, so we need one more x. 4x multiply x is 4x square plus minus minus 4 times 3 is 12x. Again signs are same, we change the sign. This negative and this will become positive. 4x square minus 4x square cancel. 13x, negative 13x plus 12x will be just negative x plus 3. This is x and we need negative x, so negative 1. So negative x plus 3. We change the sign. This is plus 3 minus 3. So this can be written as x minus 3 and 4x minus 4x square plus 4x minus 1. So this can be written as, I take minus common here, so this is x plus 3, and this I can write as 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So this is 2x square and this is 1. So 2x minus 1 square is 4x square minus 2 into 2x is this minus 4x minus 1 square is plus 1. So this is minus x plus 3 and this I can write as 2x minus 1 square. So this is the complete factorization of fx. Now part D. Use your answer to part C and sketch to deduce the set of value for x for which fx is less than equal to 0. Now we have this x. So if we check the values of x, use the answer of part C and is the sketch to deduce the set of values of x for which fx is less than equal to 0. So means minus x plus 3 and 2x minus 1 square is less than equal to 0. Now let's talk about this. First this one. We have x is equal to 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 and 3. So let's go to the map. We know that when two values are there it touches, so it is half. So y is 0 here. So this one is x is 3 and y is 0. So fx means y is 0. So y is 0 here. So at x is equal to half, fx is 0. And at x is greater than 3, fx is x is equal to greater than 3, fx is less than 0. Means all these values, just this point and all these values here, this. So the answer will be x is greater than equal to, so x is greater than equal to 3 and x is equal to half. These are the values where either fx means this y either 0 or less than 0.